So in my last video I told you that I am going to add a prefix, and then we'll make it so the command, even if you type it in caps or in small, we'll make it so the bot recognizes it. So today I'll be doing that. Now let's go to the Visual Studio Code now. In here, first of all, after this one, let me actually declare a prefix, a const prefix. So that's going to be the prefix for all of the messages, and this is something that's constant. I'll do that. That's the prefix in this video. So you could do a plus symbol or a different, you could do a hash, but I choose to do this today, and save. Now let me actually comment out this for a sec, and here let me do a new client dot on, and the event is going to be the message, and then after that we'll do open parentheses, and then we'll do message, or you could do MSG. I'm gonna do MSG, and here after that let's do an arrow function, and in there, so inside of this function I'll do an if clause first. So if clause, open the parentheses, and inside of it an exclamation first. So msg dot content dot starts with, so we are going to validate if this the message starts with the prefix or not. So in the parentheses you want to put the variable, the prefix, and after that, so let me do two of these, that sign, two little sticks or whatever you say, I just forgot that name, and that means this or this. So you're giving two clauses, and even one of those is correct, one of those is true, just return. So what this is, if message dot content doesn't start with the prefix, and we want to do return, and we'll also add a different clause after that. So msg dot author dot bot, so which means that if the author of the message is a bot, then return. So after this, right here, you want to do return, which will stop running this function, and just come out of it. So yep. So first it validates if the message content doesn't start with the prefix, and then if the author is a bot, it's going to return. So if either one of these is true, it's going to return. And the next one, let's declare a new const that's going to be arguments, and there let me do message msg dot content dot slice, and we want to slice at the prefix dot length. So we want to slice at the first part. Okay, so it's prefix dot length, and we want to do split. And then after that, so what you could do is you could do that and have a space in between that, or you could do / space plus / either ways it's going to work, and done. So now we declared a variable called arg, and now we want to declare a variable called constant. I meant command. Const command is like we want to shift whatever like the input we have to lowercase. So even though the person types in everything caps, like we are going to shift it to lowercase and then validate if that's correct or not. So you want to do shift, it's like shift to lowercase, and we want to do to lowercase, which will like turn whatever like the person types in into the lowercase. So now after this, what you want to do is you want to copy this part. Actually, like let's uncomment this out, and let's do Control X, and now paste it over here. Tab, paste. Client.on MSG, and nice. Actually, in here, instead of doing msg.content, you want to do what you want to do is command. That will actually that will actually take the content and take the lowercase version of the content. That's basically what we just did. So now save it. So let me actually reload this terminal, new terminal, and node space dot, and yep, now the bot should be online. And here what I have to do is I'll first have to do this exclamation, and that's mandatory, and you could do like all caps and it still should work. Let me check what the problem is. Yeah, that should work. Message MSG content or like MSG reply. That sounds alright. I don't know. Like, let me see properly. We did this right. So let's make sure that's the prefix, and it starts with the prefix, and we type ping. Oh, it just replied. Uh-oh, what's the problem here? Is it looping through or something? Stop. Get it. We have got to stop this. Let me actually terminate this job right here. Better. So it said Pong, but the thing is like there's some mistake over here. Let me check properly. Don't really find a mistake, but there should be something that actually did all this. So it says arg, which is method.content/.slice, prefix.length.split. That's all right, and this sounds right too. I mean, okay. Prefix return message. I don't know. Oh, I just get this. I did not have to put this thing. Oh, I just copied it, right? So I just have to like do this if command and done. Like I was stupid at this part. And yeah, now let me actually. Yep, now this should perfectly work. Let me go there. And actually, we terminate that job, so we'll have to node space dot. And this time, it should be good. Now, ping. You see, like, that was not perfect at all. I could do, like, ping, and that works too. But, like, if you do ping, it's not gonna work. You see? That's the point. Okay, so, yeah, you have seen my mistake. Like, I just copied and pasted it. So, like, we had two client.ons, and, like, yeah. So that was like the only big mistake over there. Now this is perfect. So like if you want to do a second command, you would do else if, and then you want to add those commands to like the same if clause. So that makes it easy. So like you don't have to like copy paste this whole thing every time. So you could just do command is equal to three of these is equal to's, and you want to do that, and here do let me do new vid, and then open this up, and let me do msg dot reply, or let me do this channel dot send, and now let me actually go to the YouTube and get my video, youtube.com, and here let me go to howToNity, that's my channel, and over there let me get this one, that's my latest video so far. Stop, copy, and close. I don't need that anymore. And I could do like channel.send, https, save. I don't even need this part. Yep, save. Now, nice. So like you could add else ifs, like as many else ifs as you can, and extend this if clause. And yeah, so like if you don't want to add these else if clauses, like you could copy this part, like you could copy this, paste, and what you could do is like here instead of this thing, you could like change these this thing, and then you can change the reply. That's like array, and I just think that adding like else if is an easier way. I would recommend that. So now saved it. Now terminate the job, and you'll have to reload it. Don't forget to reload it. That's what, like, yeah, saved. Okay, cool. Let me go here and do new vid. Yep, cool. Now, like, yeah, you remember I could do like new and vid like that, and it still works. But you'll have to put the prefix. That's mandatory. And so we have like made it work properly. So that's nice. And that's it for this video, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video. And in the next video, so like what I'll show you is if you like keep on adding these commands, so like you'll have to like, let me show you that. So you'll have to like do a bunch of these, and instead of that, like, so if I want to do like, yeah, see this, paste, like if I want to do like a bunch of those, so it's like a whole lot of mess for, and I'll have to like scroll all the way down. So like if you're doing like a real-time bot, you might not like this. So if you're like just doing a test or something, it's fine, but yeah, not suggested like to do it this way, because it's like really tough for you to find like which one you want. Yeah, now that thing. So in the next video I'll show you like how you can handle this command. So like you could create a bunch of JS files for each of these commands, and that will be like more organized. So I'll show you that in my next video. Hope you wait for that. Yep, thank you for watching my video. I'm not gonna save this, obviously. And yep, that's like, I'll put this code in the GitHub and give you that link to the repository down below in the description as usual. Okay, always, so don't forget, like, don't put this client dot on the second time like as I did. That's the only suggestion. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye.